Good morning class. Today we are going to learn about unit number 3 part B. So in it is having computational methods, IT, IoT in civil engineering, typical software systems, SAP, STAAD, Abacus, MATLAB, ETAB, Nastran, NISA, Mike 21, Modflow, Revit, Tekla, AutoCAD, GeoStudio, EduShake, MSP, Primavera, ArcGIS, Vis, SIM. All these are the softwares which are prepared by the computer engineers to make the work of a civil engineer easy. So this is how computer engineer is most essential and interdisciplinary with civil engineering. So SAP, System Application and Products, SAP, marketed and developed by SAP System Application Products, ranging from 2D to 3D. So this is system application products. It is having 4 cases: pre-processor, in which you are making the modeling; post-processor, in which you are getting all the forces analysis, in which you are going to run the program; and then design part, in that you are going to design each and everything. And it ranges for 2D, 3 and 3D, means you can have 2-dimensional as well as 3-dimensional figures. So 4 stages in software are modeling, loading, analysis, design, output and interoperability. ठीक है, तो पहले मॉडल बनाना है, फिर उसको लोडिंग लगाना है, फिर एनालिसिस रन करना है, और फिर जो भी आपको फोर्सेस मिलते हैं वो फोर्सेस के अनुसार आपको उसे डिज़ाइन करना है. ठीक है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट फिगर, फोर्सेस आर गिवन, एंड इन second figure you can see how the forces are acting on the column, beams and slabs. STAAD, Structural Analysis and Design of Computer Program, developed by Research Engineers International at Orba, India, CA in 1997. In the late 2005, Research Engineers Internationally was brought by Bentley Systems. It is flexible modeling environment, availability of a large range of design codes, interconnected and open architecture, contains all features of structural engineering. The only disadvantage is it gives more steel when compared to practical, so that it considered as uneconomical. So again, it is a design software. Whatever column, beam, slabs you are going to model, then it has to be run, and forces are given again as SAP, and the structural design is taken care. So it is giving on the higher range. It means that if 4 bars of 12 mm diameter are required, it is going to show you 5 or 6 bars. So it is uneconomical, it goes on the higher side, but it is practiced in civil engineering more or less, and forces are taken out and design is made manually wherever it is necessary. So this is the picture of that bar. Main menu bar is there, tool bar is there, data area, page control and main window. So this is how the figure looks. So these are the columns and these are the footings downward here, footing columns, these are columns, these are beams, and slabs are over there. This is a staircase which is having a tower over here. Abacus. And what do you mean by abacus? The abacus suite of software for finite element analysis is known for its high performance, quality and ability to solve more kinds of challenging simulations than any other software. The Abacus suite consists of 3 core products: Abacus Standard, Abacus Explicit and Abacus CAE. In each of these packages offers specialized capabilities some customers may need. So what are these? is again a finite element analysis. We have to take care of mathematics here and finite element. All the softwares of civil engineering are based on finite element analysis. This is analysis done for structural calculations with respect to mathematics involved in it. So this is one example. If this is a column and a beam is attached having a load of 20 lbs, so if this model is made and program is run, then you can see the nodes and elements where it will show how much forces are acting on the beam at which point, and then the design is done. MATLAB, programming software used to produce graphs and perform complex equations, used for preparing pie charts, bar graphs, and presents other statistical data, used to produce images and 3D contours, used to do iterative problems. So if you can see the figure, this is the contouring type. So any type of graphs, many graphs papers are involved in this. Civil engineering, simple graph paper, semi-log graph paper, log graph paper. So all these bar charts, pie charts, straight charts, so all these charts, it is very difficult to draw and make. So this MATLAB is very good to do this graphs. ETAP, extended three-dimensional analysis of building structure, marketed and developed by CSI, Computer and Structure Inclusive. It analysis more 60 G plus 30. G means ground floor plus 30-story building. It also analyzes earthquake loads, economical when compared to StatPro, software mainly used in Middle East countries. This is how the ETAPS looks like when the model is drawn. NASTRAN. NASTRAN is a powerful finite element analysis program that is used widely in the aerospace and automotive industries. So mechanical engineers are mostly using this NASTRAN. With respect to civil engineering, it is of less importance or less in use. Industry standard finite element code originally developed for NASA by MSc 1960s. Currently industry standard structural FEA finite element analysis code for spacecraft, launch vehicles, linear structural dynamics, etc. Today there are many flavors or version of NASTRAN, MSc, NX, etc. Continued, maintained and enhancement. NISA, Network Agents and Intelligence Software Agent Groups, one of the most comprehensive finite element analysis software packages available, addresses the needs of the automotive, aerospace, engine, energy and power, oil and gas, electronics, packaging and civil engineering industries. MIC 21. For engineering and water utilities companies who are looking for new software technologies to model hydraulic and water quality parameters of water distribution systems of any size, MicNet is the professional engineering software that match or surpass the equivalent modeling packages in features and performance as at a far more attractive price. Hydraulic means water resources. This system is used for water quality parameters, how the distribution system is made, where the pipelines will be, how the pipelines will go off, and many more with respect to the water distribution system. So this is how the MicNet is comprises of following stages: steady state analysis, extended period analysis, water quality analysis, SCADA real-time modeling, fire flow analysis, automated calibration, network optimization. MODFlow, widely used groundwater flow simultaneous simulation, spelling is wrong, program that runs on any platform: Windows, Sun, Unix, Linux. Mostly written in standard Fortran, GMC, C++, solves the groundwater flow equation with different possible properties, boundary conditions and initial conditions. First version 83, McDonald and Harbour, written to serve USGS needs. Public domain is free. Open source, it means it's not licensed version, anyone can use it and anyone can moderately change according to their own needs. So this is how it looks. Maps, model, results. Revit. Projects are created with families. For example, the structural members, walls, roofs, windows and doors that use to assemble a building model. There are three more types of software: Revit Structures, MEP and Archi. Revit is a single application built for building information modeling with features for architectural design. MEP, mechanical, electrical and plumbing and structural engineering and construction. Revit is not BIM, Revit is built for BIM. So this is how it looks like. Tekla is a software that consists of programs for analysis and design, detailing and project communication, model-based software, products for building, construction and infrastructure management. All the things are done in Tekla. The building is modeled, design, construction equipments are showed how to use, and infrastructure management means project management is done. With respect to this is how the softwares look like. AutoCAD is the most important software all the civil engineer, mechanical and electrical engineer use, but this AutoCAD is mostly widely used by the civil engineers. Most is important and the students of civil engineering should have the knowledge of AutoCAD. It is compulsory. Automatic computer aided design and drafting in December 82, initially released by John Walker, marketed and developed by Autodesk. Saves huge time. Saving time is equal to earn more income by more output. It is simple enough software with the real user friendly interface. It gives more accuracy than manual drafting. This is how it looks like. It is just nothing but a drawing sheet. The tools and menu bars are given to you. There is line, you can draw arc, circle, rectangle, whatever you want. Everything you can draw in 2D as well as in 3D. Just a drawing sheet but in a different manner. GeoStudio, it is for geotechnical engineering, used for calculating the properties of soil. So GeoStudio is a suite of software products for geotechnical and geoenvironmental modeling. GeoStudio contains the following: integrated applications, slope stability analysis, groundwater seepage analysis, stress and deformation analysis, dynamic earthquake analysis, geothermal analysis, contaminate transport analysis, weather zone and soil cover analysis. All the things related to soil engineering is done in this GeoStudio software. If this is the figure and you are having this type of a slope here, and above there is one road, and here this is a slope of earth, means soil, and again there is a road, again there is a slope. So how the stability of this slope is calculated so that it doesn't slide down. If it slide down, this will get disturbed and this will get disturbed. So this is the software where this is the slope of the stability of the slope of the earth retaining structure, and this is how the failure occurs, and this failure then it is maintained by giving it proper soil reinforcement. GeoShake is for earthquake and geotechnical analysis, again with respect to GeoStudio software. MSP, Microsoft Project, is a project management software product. It is developed and sold by Microsoft. It is designed to assist a project management developing a plan, managing and budget and analysis workloads. As resources are assigned to tasks and assignment work estimated, the program calculates the cost equal to the work times the rate. Whenever the planning is done, the designing is done, everything is done, then we have to give the estimate, and after calculating whole budget, then the work in progress has to be developed and managed, and that is known as your project management. This is the software looks like. Primavera is an enterprise project portfolio management software. It includes project management, product management. Primavera was launched in 1983 by Primavera Systems Inclusive, which was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2008. Diminished risk along with cost connected with schedule overrun. It helps easily prepare and control projects, things to do. It optimizes management of resources. It offers clean field vision of what is taking in the particular project. So all these things are taken care by Primavera. ArcGIS, Geographic Information System, application involving the usage of combination of digital maps and georecord data, uses for calculation, data presentation and map making, watershed, census, maps, contour making, urban planning, etc. All with respect to the geological information is taking place. This is how it works. The maps are shown, and after that it is converted into AutoCAD, and the required mapping with respect to civil engineering is done. Vision is the vision traffic software, is the worldwide standard in software are based transport planning, traffic engineering and traffic simulation. The level of integration and compatibility of the product is unexcelled, since the vision traffic software covers the entire range of transport planning from strategic planning and traffic engineering to vehicle and pedestrian simulation. So this is the software used for traffic and transportation engineering. All the rules, regulations, signals, signs, all are maintained by this software. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.